The natural scale consists of the notes A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. It is called the natural scale because it consists of all natural notes and no accidentals, meaning no sharps or no flat notes. Scales are the key to writing music. The notes of a scale complement each other and can be used together to create chords, melodies, and harmonies, giving you a solid foundation to build or write your own songs, as well as learn your favorite pieces from other musicians. The two most common types of scales are the major and minor scales. A major scale has what some would describe as a bright or happy sound. A minor scale has what some might describe as a mellow, soft, or sad sound. Rather than learning major and minor scales separate, TSTA gives you a jump start by teaching one scale that encompasses both. It's called the natural scale. Scales have what we call key centers or root notes. To determine whether or not a scale is major or minor, in this case, would depend on the root note. The root note is the main note of a song, or in our case, the scale. For example, when using the notes of the natural scale, if your root note is a C note, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, our scale is major. If our root note is an A note, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, our scale is minor. Both the C major and A minor scales share the same notes. This is also known as a relative minor scale. So in the key of C, or C major, A is the relative minor. Pay close attention to our major and minor root notes. Knowing their locations will give you the ability to write a song in the major or minor key and change any song from major to minor. This will also allow you to change keys during a song. There are 7 notes in the natural scale. Therefore, we have 7 scale positions. Each position starts with a different scale note. The beauty of these 7 positions is that they are universal for every key of music. So later on, when we start learning key changes, you will already know the fingering patterns.